How to fix Discord checkpoint unavailable problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Discord account. Then click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on You, click on the gear icon at the top right. Here, click on Data and Privacy. After you click on Data and Privacy, make sure all of these are turned on, which is use data to improve Discord, use data to personalize my Discord experience, use my Discord activity to personalize sponsored content, and also use third-party data to personalize sponsored content. After you turn this on, you can go back and in or balance or above member, since you will find your Discord checkpoint. It is not available in my region, so I won't be able to show, but you'll find it here. And this is how to fix Discord checkpoint of unavailable problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.